Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did these beautiful jungle box braids, or distress box braids as some people call it. So as you can see, I've done some of the braids, and I tied my shoelace around my chair where I am braiding the hair. And here is the hair I will be working with. I got this hair from AliExpress in the color 1B yellow. I got 7 packs of braiding hair. Also I will be needing my scissors and my hairbrush. Yeah, so now to start, I'm not going to cut the hair, and also I won't be stretching the hair straight that way. So all I do is cut a piece of it and then feather the ends of that space like so. Yeah, and why I do this is because I don't want to have some blunt ends, if you understand that. So after doing that, I'll just brush that, and then yeah, here we just start braiding. So now, because we are doing some crochet braids, we are creating some braids for crochet, if that makes sense. Yeah. While we are doing that, you know, crochet braids, you need to make, while you're creating your knot, your loop, you need to make sure the loop is loose, like is free. And when you braid, you need to make sure the braids are not tight in order for you to be able to adjust your loop while crochet, when you want to crochet that on your hair or on your head. Yeah. So if you noticed, I braided this all the way from there till here. I see people start from the roots to do the pinching, but I choose to do it this way because I don't want the hair to start from I don't want to start the pinching from the roots. And why? Because I don't want it to look very rough, because I would like to do some individual crochet with this hair. Yeah, and I wouldn't like it to look too rough from the roots. So yeah, I choose to do it like this. So guys, if you are seeing this, I'm just pinching that yeah, pinching a little bit at a time. And I see people pinch just by braiding one or twice, and then they do the pinching. But for me, I braided like 4 to 5 times before pinching, creating those distressed look. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not just doing it immediately after the other. I braid like 3 to 4 times, if not 5 times, before pinching the left or the other side. Yeah, like you see me do. I only do it when I feel comfortable, like when I feel that yes, I've held the hair on, like I have a good grip on the hair, in order for it not to get rough, like to look rough or tangle or something like that. But as you can see, the look is still the same distress or jungle box braids is the same. It doesn't matter how you do it. Yeah. So at this point, you can see the braids is getting thin, because we are getting to the end, like to the ends. Yeah. So at this point, after, when we are comfortable, when we are good, when we are okay, when we are satisfied to the length we want, so now I'm just going to take a little piece. Yeah, I'll just take a little piece of the hair, like in order to use that to tie the braids. to secure that, yeah, like you see me do. Yeah, I'll just use this to tie the end. That way the hair will not unravel. Yeah, as you can see, this is really looking beautiful. Like, it's really beautiful, guys.
The heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby.
So guys, please, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscriber button, and also turn on your notification in order to your notification bell, yeah, in order to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, thank you. I love you so much. You are the best. God bless you. Yeah. So guys, we are still doing the same thing, braiding our hair and doing the little pinch in order to create our jungle braids. Yeah. Again, we are just tying our ends, making sure that it's secured. Believe me, guys, this is really beautiful. It's really beautiful. Please, guys, as you watch this video, believe me, if you really like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Believe me, you know, it's kind of boring. Every now and then we do braids, straight box braids, but thank God bless that beautiful young lady that brought out this style. So share it, yeah. And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, share with your friends. Let's look beautiful. Let's do something new, you know. Let's come out with some new look, beautiful new looks, you know that. Yeah. So guys, look how this, look how beautiful this is. Believe me, I'm so very much in love with these braids. Yeah, I finished braiding. In total, I used 5 packs of braiding hair, and everything came out beautiful and nice. And at this point, I'm not satisfied because I still want this hair to look much more beautiful, and to do that I'll be coiling the end, yeah, and I'm using my perm rods to do the coiling. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just taking 3 pieces of hair, 3 braids at a time, and I'll just coil that on my perm rods like you see me do. Yeah.
Baby, your love is gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
Please, guys, feel free to comment. Tell me what you think about this video, because believe me, I'm so happy to have tried this style. I'm so happy, and because I've seen this hair on Instagram, and I also saw a lot of YouTubers tried out this hairstyle, which is really beautiful. I love it too, and I'm so happy I've tried it. So if you watch this video, please just make sure, comment, tell me what you think about it. Okay, just feel free, you know, feel free. Don't be shy, don't feel like, just feel free, comment, tell me what you think. And also, like I said, you can share it with your friends. Yeah. So now I'm out of perm rods. At this point I will just be dipping the one I've already curled in hot water. Yeah. So after dipping my hair in hot water, I didn't let it dry because I still have more hair to curl. Yeah, I have other braids I'm yet to curl because I was out of perm rods. I have so I just went ahead to unravel this, the one I've done already. I just went ahead to unravel it. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. Like, it came out, the curls made the hair to look much more beautiful. Look at that, guys. It's really beautiful. Believe me, if you see the one I've not coiled compared to the coiled one, yeah, look at this. Nah. Yeah, I see a lot of people doing it without coiling the end. Yeah, it's fine. Everything depends on what you want. So as you can see, I went off camera to coil the rest of the hair. Look how beautiful that is looking. And the coils, the coiled ends gave the hair a better look. Like, the braids are looking much more better. So at this point, I'm just going to kind of brand my braids. Yeah, let me put it like that. I just put this in bundles. Yeah, I use some rubber bands that I got from the braids, from the backs of the hair. So I'm just putting the braids in bundles. Yeah. Like I said, I got 7 parts of hair, but at the end of the day, at the end, I ended up using just 5 bundles. Yeah, as you can see, this is the finished look, and the hair is really looking beautiful. Yeah, so guys, this is all for this video, and I hope you like the hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment at the comment section below. I love you. See you in my next video.